हेलो बच्चों, हाउ आर यू। चलिए रिवीजन वर्क में आज स्टार्ट करते हैं। इलेक्ट्रिसिटी का एक क्वेश्चन देखिए, ये बिल्कुल डिफरेंट टाइप का क्वेश्चन है। तो अगर ऐसा क्वेश्चन आपको क्वेश्चन पेपर में मिलता है तो किस तरीके से आप ऐसे क्वेश्चन को इजीली सॉल्व कर सकते हो। सो कम टू द बोर्ड। इन गिवन फिगर फाइंड द रेशियो ऑफ रेजिस्टेंसेज ऑफ कंडक्टिंग वायर्स। These are four conducting wires of same material, means specific resistance is same for all four conducting wires. This is the diameter of first wire 2d, length is L. Diameter of second wire is 2d, length is also 2L. Diameter is L, radius also length is L, diameter is D and length is 2L. So specific resistance is same. So how to find the ratio of resistances of these conducting wires? So look at the board. It is very easy how to solve. So start. But this is first conducting wire. Diameter is 2d and length is L. So radius is 2d by 2 means D. Here radius is also D because 2d by 2. Here radius is D by 2 and here radius is also D by 2. We know that the resistance formula R is equal to rho into L upon A. Rho into L upon A. So rho is always same because all these four conducting wires are made by same material. So specific resistance is same. So resistance depends on length and area. And area formula is pi r square. So it means it is rho into L upon pi r square. Pi r square. So rho and pi both are constant. So it means r proportional to L upon r square. So if resistances are R1, R2, R3 and R4, then ratio required. So it means R1, R2, R3 and R4. So this is L upon R square, L1 upon R1 square, L2 upon R2 square, L3 upon R3 square and L4 upon R4 square. So only put all these values because rho and pi both are same. So we are going to find the ratio. So all constant terms will be cancelled. So our ratio depends on R1, R2, R3 and 4. And this is R1 upon L1 upon R1 square, L2 upon R2 square, L3 upon R3 square and L4 upon R4 square. So ratio will be the L1 means L. L upon R1 2d by 2 means D square. Second, L2 here is 2L divided by 2d by 2 square means only D square. Third, length is L. Diameter is D, so ratio is D by 2. It means D square upon 4. Because D by 2 whole square. D square upon 4. L4, length is 2L. And it is D by 2 radius, D by 2 square. It means also D square upon 4. So it means L upon D square, 2L upon D square, 4L upon D square, and here 8L upon D square. So you can cancel the equal terms. So ratio will be R1, R2, R3 and R4. What is your answer? 1:2, ratio 4 and ratio 8. This is your answer. So this is new type question. Diameter and radius may be changed in the question papers. So prepare these type questions. I hope you are ready. After this question you can solve the same type question. तो बच्चों ये बिल्कुल नए टाइप का क्वेश्चन है. डिफरेंट टाइप के वायर्स, रेडियस, डायमीटर्स आपको क्वेश्चन में दिए जा सकते हैं और अगर आप इस कॉन्सेप्ट पे काम करते हो तो इजीली ऐसे क्वेश्चन को सॉल्व कर सकते हो और उनके रेजिस्टेंस के रेशियो को फाइंड आउट कर सकते हो. तो अगर वीडियो अच्छा लगता है तो लाइक और सब्सक्राइब कर दीजिए. अभी हम लाइव क्लास नहीं ले पा रहे हैं क्योंकि हमारे पास सब्सक्राइबर कम है. मिनिमम 50 सब्सक्राइबर्स रिक्वायर्ड फॉर द लाइव क्लास. तो जितनी जल्दी आप लोग जो है लाइव 50 सब्सक्राइबर्स पूरे करोगे हम लाइव क्लास 10th के लिए ISC बोर्ड में स्टार्ट करेंगे. थैंक्स फॉर वॉचिंग.